Okay, good morning, children. Please switch on your
Good
cameras.
morning. Good morning, sir.
Okay,
Good morning, sir.
nice to see you after one break. And last week was a holiday for everybody. Because the day before was a poor day, we did not plan. I gave you a holiday. That's better. Amadya හොඳයි නේද? නිවාඩුවක් ගත්ත එක. I think you had a leisure time. You have everybody become more beautiful than before. අරින්ට වඩා ගෑනු ළමයි ලස්සන වෙලා boys have become smarter. Nice to hear. සර්ුත් ටිකක් ලස්සන වෙලා නේද? හොඳයි. Okay. Aditya, Benuka, everybody, Lakshan, Nithira, Nilupul. Nice to see your faces. Now we are here at our spoken English class, New Oxford. Sadunmi with the usual frame under a radio channel. Her face can be seen. Dishni, Nelly, and everybody. What did you do last week? Tisasna. Last poor day, I mean. Manga dahaskana poor dawasa, Wednesday. What did you do?
I observe still.
Sill aragena. Very good, very good, very good. Amatya, how did you spend time? At home. Nothing special.
I help my grandmother.
Okay, help my grandmother. Sitagi, what did you do?
See.
Observe Sil. Okay, okay. Please tell me now, Nikini, what did you do?
Observe seal.
Gotanik Silla Garania. You want to become Arhatship. Take Arhatship. And good, good, good. Vinul, what did you do?
I have a class.
I had a class. Did you go anywhere else? Nithira, Sadunmi, what did you do?
With my grandmother.
Okay. Nithira, what special?
No special, sir.
Amish, how did you spend time? Lakshan, what did you do?
I went to temple.
I went to temple. Good. Rashmi,
I went to temple.
Pansalgia. Pasandi,
I went to my grandparents' home.
okay. Tyagi,
I was observed the sale.
I observed Sil. Okay. Mr. Nilupul,
Observed sale.
Benuka, I know you went on a trip. Huh? Tell me.
Went to temple also.
Went to temple. Where did you go on the trip? Trip पे गए थे कि? Huh? Surya Baba. Taruka, what did you do?
Go to temple.
Went to temple. Benuka, can you tell me, how about the trip? Good or bad?
Good.
Very good trip. Okay. And Aditya?
Went to beach.
Went to the beach. Very good, man. And enjoy Karapgiri. Sir, we went to the beach with family members.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Which beach? Where did you go?
Kotua, sir. Kotua beach.
What to? Nice place. You had a swim.
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. Rashmi?
I went to temple, sir.
Okay, okay. Sanuti.
I went to temple, sir.
Sanuti also went to temple. Onali?
In the evening, I went to the temple with my family members.
Okay. Shihan.
Not this special, sir.
Not special, sir, just stayed at home. Normally, your father enjoys life. I think you had a nice time on the poet day. I called your father, Shihan, on the poet day. Let's go on a trip. He says he has to go to Veligama, right? That's why. Okay. Sadushika. Yes.
Nothing special, sir.
Nothing special, sir. Okay, okay. Do you know how I spend a poet day? Can somebody suggest කාර්ය යෝජනා කරන්න පුළුවන්? Huh? Who can tell me? Where did the teacher go? Dulnit, what did you do?
I went to
He went on a trip.
with my
Where did you go? Where did you go, Dulnit?
hearing.
Okay, okay, okay. Right. Here, he went to here. Right. I also went on a trip, Sanuti, with family members. It was a very nice trip. And we swam in a nice stream, runnel, lassana dulaparaka අපි නෑවා. We swam, we bathed. Well, how many hours? 4 hours. පැය 4ක් නෑවා. Huh? Do you like to swim 4 hours in the chill? 4 hours swimming, very nice food, relaxed place, collected stones, round stones, you know, round stones. I collected a basket of, round stones and later on. Isasta, can you rename your name? Is mentioned as your mother's, I think. Right, Isasta. Okay, okay. Welcome you everybody. Today I will teach you. අද මම ඔබට චූටි වෙනස් දෙයක් උගන්වනවා. Rashmi, you write it down. Idioms. I will teach you 5 idioms. Take out the writing book and write idioms. Sampradayika යෙදීම්. Vak sampradaya. Idioms. Camera on කරගෙන ඉන්න ඕන නම් ඔබටම තමයි හොඳ. That's better for you. Vak sampradaya. Idioms dictionary means, especially when you speak Sadeepa in English, there are some words in English language we can speak our ideas ironically. උඩින් කියන අදහස නෙවෙයි යටින් කියන්නේ. දැන් මම වාක්‍යයක් කියනවා මෙන්න මේ වගේ එකක්. We go on trips. අපි trip එකක් යන්නේ. trip යන්නේ. Once in a blue moon. What is the meaning of this phrase? මේ වචන කණ්ඩේ තේරුම දන්නේ නැහැ තුස්සන්. Once in a blue moon. Amartya, do you know? ඉතා කලාතුරක. Once in a blue moon කියලා මොකද්ද? Right. ලියා ගන්න in your book. Please write once in a blue moon. ඒකේ තේරුම ඉතාමත් කලාතුරකින් කියලා ලියා ගන්න. එතකොට අනිත් අය දන්නේ නැහැ මේක සඳුන්වි. ඔයා ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් once in a blue moon කිව්වම අනිත් අයට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඔයාට කියන්න පුළුවන් තේරුණාද? Others cannot understand. They are andum kundu. They will be andum kundu. මොනවද මේ කියන්නේ? Once එකපාරයි නිල් පාට හඳක් නේද? එකපාරක් නිල් පාට හඳක් කිව්වම හිතා ගන්න.
Sir,
Yes.
can you tell again once in a blue moon meaning?
Meaning once in a blue moon meaning is ඉතාමත් කලාතුරකින්. ඉතාමත් කලාතුරකින්. මං කියනවා I meet Sanuti once in a blue moon. මට සනුතිව හමු වෙන්නේ ඉතා කලාතුරකින්. Once in a blue moon. Amodhya tells lies once in a blue moon. Amodhya බොරුවක් කියන්නේ ඉතාමත්ම කලාතුරකින්. Once in a blue moon. Huh? Sadaru, you can say, I eat meat once in a blue moon. මම මස් එහෙම කන්නේ ඉතා කලාතුරකින්. You write a sentence. හැමෝම වගන්තියක් ලියන්න. Once in a blue moon. Simple present tense ලියන්න. Rashmi, write a sentence. Once in a blue moon. Asanti, you can say, my father punished me once in a blue moon. Amish, I go to parties once in a blue moon. Taruka, I go to school once in a blue moon. On school yani ඉතා කලාතුරකින් because huh? Okay, Shihan, did you write a sentence, Muta?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
I am not joining classes once in a blue moon.
එතකොට I don't join classes කියලා දාන්න. හොඳයි වගන්තිය. I don't join classes once in a blue moon. මම පන්ති වලට සහභාගී නොවෙන්න කලාතුරකින්. තිසස්නා, තිසංසා.
I eat a cheese once in a blue moon.
Sir, I eat cheese. I eat cheese once in the blue moon, sir. Okay. Tyagi?
I go on church once in a blue.
I go to church once in the blue moon. Church යන්නේ කලාතුරකින්. Binul? Binul is silent. I can't hear. Lakshan? Yes, Lakshan, start.
I eat sausages once in a blue moon.
Very good sentence. Man hari asawa gantiya. I eat sausages once in the blue moon. Good, good. Nikini?
My friends is meet in once in a blue moon.
Isnameduwa. My friends meet me once in the blue moon. Okay. Benuka?
Went to Jaffna once in a
We go to Jaffna, Muta. We go to Jaffna once in the blue moon. I fight with girls once in the blue moon. Taruka? Taruka udaharanayak kiyannawa liwada? Sandaru? Taruka?
We go to grandmother house once.
Grandmother's house once in the blue moon. Sandaru?
We go to beach once in a blue moon.
I fight with girls once in the blue moon. I watch television once in the blue moon. My father Amotya gets angry once in the blue moon. Ape taattara taraha yanne itha kalaturakin belu. Right? My father gets angry once in the blue moon. Okay. Number 2, Devani එක ලියා ගන්න දෙවෙනි idiom එක. This is number 1. A red letter day. A red letter day. දැන් සිහාන් මේ වාක්‍ය හැබැයි කියන්න ඕන. හරි? දැන් ඔන්න මම හිතන් ඉන්නවා සිහාන්ලා ගෙදර මේ සතියෙන්නේ ඇත්තටම. හොඳයි සිහාන්. Right? I come to your house. එතකොට සරුත් එන්න කිව්වා. එතකොට සිහාන් මට කියන්න ඕන sir. You came to our house once in the blue moon. දැක්කද ඉංග්‍රීසි යූස් කරන හැටි? sir අපේ ගෙදර ආවේ මොකද්ද? කලාතුරකින්. Sehan ekama කියනවා sir today is a red letter එදාම කියනවා today is a red letter day මොකක්ද ඒකේ තේරුම මම ඒගොල්ලෝ ගෙදර ආපු දවසේ ආ කියනවා today is a red letter day
වැදගත්.
අද විශේෂ
very good ඉතාමත්ම මොකද්ද කාලකන්ණි දවසක්ද මම ආවහම නේ
විශේෂණ
විශේෂයට වඩා
අමතක නොවන
වැදගත් තියා ගන්න red letter day කියන්නේ ඉතා සුවිශේෂී දවසක්. red letter day. දැන් ඔන්න කාරු හරි කියනවා අමීෂ් කියනවා today is my birthday. අද මගේ උපන්දිනය. It is a red letter day in my life. ලියා ගන්න උදාහරණයක් Today is a red letter day in my father's life. අද මගේ තාත්තගේ ජීවිතේ වැදගත්ම දිනයක්. Today is a red letter day in my father's life. දැන් අමෝද්‍ය කරන්නේ A level A4ක් කරන් පාස් වෙලා කැම්පස් එකට තේරෙන වෛද්‍ය විද්‍යාලය. To become a doctor. Then I meet her. මම අහනවා දුව ඔයාගේ ජීවිතේ වැදගත්ම දිනය කවදාද? So that day was the red letter day in my life. The day I was selected to campus. මං campus තේ ලියන්න the day I was selected to university. The day I was selected to university.
Sir, tell again.
The
Sir,
day
can
I
you tell
was selected to university is a red letter day in my life. Is a red letter day in my life. Is a red letter day in my life. Today is Nilupol's wedding. So it is a red letter day to his family members. Pasandi, today is my brother's wedding. So it is a red letter day to our family. Red letter day. My mother's birthday is today. It is a red letter day to our family. Benuku kina today Richmond won the cricket match against Mahinda. Mahinda විරුද්ධ match එක දිනුම්. It is a red letter in our life. අපේ ජීවිතේ තා වැදගත් දිනයක්. Right. ඔගොල්ලොත් වගන්තියක් කියන්න හැමෝම. Today දාන්න yesterday දාන්න පුළුවන් ඒතර votes.
Again. Sir, can you tell again example?
Example, today is a red letter day in my life. Because red letter day. හැබැයි ආදිත්‍ය black letter day, green letter day එහෙම දින නෑ හොඳද? Yellow letter day. Right, only red letter day.
Sir,
Yes.
මම වාක්‍ය කියන්නද sir?
Okay, කියන්න දුව.
Today is a red letter of Kumara Sangakkara life.
Yes, why?
Birthday, sir.
Birthday, very good. Today is a red letter day in Kumar Sanga's life. Okay, good, good, good. Didulani?
Sir, can I?
වෙනුක අපි තව ස්ක්‍රීන් එකට ළමයි තුන් දෙනෙක් තව චුට්ටක් පොඩි කරලා වෙනුක මට පොඩි උදව්වක් කරනවද ඇවිල්ලා මේ අපි අනිත් 6 දෙනෙක් විතර ඉන්නේ ඒගොල්ලෝ ස්ක්‍රීන් එකට ගමුද නැත්නම් මට ඒගොල්ලෝ අමතක වෙනවා.
So yes.
Okay, I can කිව්ව පුතා කියන්න උත්තරේ.
Today is a red letter day because my birthday.
Because of my birthday. Because of my birthday. Today is a red letter day. Because of my birthday. Only
The first day in my school is a red letter day.
very good. The first day to my school is a red letter day. Skole mama giya mulma dawasa අපට ඉතාමත්ම වැදගත් දවසක්. Please, Nelly, can you tell me?
And red letter day, my best friend.
No, my best friend came to my home today. It is a red letter day.
Sir, I can.
Okay, Melanie, can you tell me a sentence?
Last birthday was a red letter day for me and my father.
Very good. Last day. Why do your father's birthday? අපිට කිව්වා ඊයේ මගේ තාත්තගේ මගේ වැදගත් දිනයක්. සනුති?
The day I was passing the grade 5 scholarship examination is a red letter day in my life.
The day I passed, එහෙම දාන්න ඕන. The day I passed my scholarship exam was a red letter day. Sanuti, how many marks did you get?
170.
Good, good. 170. තව අපි දෙන්නට අවස්ථාව දෙමු. Amish,
Yesterday was
Sir,
a red letter day for my sister.
yesterday was a red letter day for my sister. Metuki, Senitu, Senitu,
Sir, can I tell?
yes. Start.
October 19th is a red letter day because of my birthday.
Very good, very good, very good. Right. Number 3, please write that Tummini Kaliyan. Please write number 3.
Sir, I tell.
A cock and bull's story. A cock and bull's story. A cock and bull's bull apostrophe s. බහුවචනය තමයි වරහන් ඇතුලේ නැතුව cock and bull's stories. Cock and bull's stories. ඒක තමයි බහුවචනේ. මං කියනවා yesterday Pasandi told me a cock and bull story. Rashmi, what is the meaning cock and bull story? පට්ටපල් බොරු ලියා ගන්න. අමූලික බොරු, අමු පච, පට්ටපල් බොරු. පසන්දි බොරු කියන ළමෙක් නේ මගේ විහිළුවට උදාහරණයක් විතරයි.
Sir again said,
මං කියන ලියා ගන්න උදාහරණය. He told me a cat and bull's story. He told me a cat and bull's story. Yesterday. ඊයේ මට ගල් පැලෙන බොරුවක් කිව්වා. Sadunmi told me a cats and bull story. තව උදාහරණයක් ලියන්න. My friend Vihanga always tells cat and bull's stories. දැන් එහෙම කිව්වම යාළුවට තේරෙන්නෙත් නැහැනේ. වසන්ති අපිට කියන්න පුළුවන් මේ you told me a cat and bull story yesterday. එයා මට පට්ටපල් බොරුවක් කිව්වනේ. cat and red letter you told me a cats and bull story on this red letter day. මේ වැදගත්ම දවසේ කිව්වේ ඔයා මට. Right? Now 3 idioms සඳුන්නේ. මේ idioms දන්නේ හොඳ පප්පෝස් ඉංග්‍රීසි හොඳටම දන්න අය විතරයි. සාමාන්‍ය පොත්වල මේව නෑ idioms. Next one, number 4. In a nutshell. In a nutshell කියන්නේ කෙටියෙන් briefly. In nutshell දාම. In nutshell. කෙටියෙන්. In nutshell කියන්නේ කෙටියෙන්. Aditya, can you explain it to me in nutshell? යාගන වාක්‍ය. He explained the lesson in nutshell. එයා මට එක විස්තර කරලා දුන්න ඉතා කෙටියෙන්. කියන්න. Can you tell me that incident? මට ඒ සිදුවීම කියන්න පුළුවන්ද? Incident. Can you tell me about that incident? එම සිදුවීම පිළිබඳව. In nutshell කෙටියෙන්. Right. දැන් හැමෝම වාක්‍ය තව එකක් මම කියලා දෙන්න number 5. මේකෙන් තාම අපි ලිව්වේ නෑ. Number 5. A curry favor. ලස්සන වාක්‍යයක්. ලස්සන ඉඩියම් එකක්. curry favor. මේක නම් බෙනුක අදම කියන්න ඕන කාට හරි නේද? දෙපිට කාට්ටුවට කියන්නේ දෙපිට කාට්ටු. හරි. curry favor. අද දැන් කාට හරි SMS එකක් හරි යවන්න ඕන පසන්දි ෆෝන් එකෙන් You are a curry favor kiya. තේරුම කියලා දෙන්න යන්න එපා හැබැයි. Don't try to teach the
What is
meaning.
what is Sinhala meaning of curry favor?
curry favor කියන්නේ දුව දෙපිට කාට්ටුව. අහලා තියෙනවද දෙපිට කාට්ටුව දෙපැත්ත අරක පැත්තට එකක් කියන මේ පැත්ත දෙපිට කාට්ටුව. අල්ලපු ගෙදර ඇන්ටිට හරි කමන්නේ කියලා දාන්න. දැන් මිදුල පිහිටනා ඇන්ටි you are a curry favor. Thank you පුතා කියයි. Thank you පුතා. Right? නේ විශස්ත තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ නේ curry favor දැන් අපි ව්‍යංගාර්ථෙන්න කියන්නේ. ඈ අල්ලපු ගෙදර ඉන්නවනම් කාරු හරි කෙනෙක් අයියා කෙනෙක් අක්කා කෙනෙක් කියලා දාන්න දිසස්ත. hina වෙලා කියන්න ඕන තරහින් කියන්න එපා. හරියට. You are a curry favor. Okay, thank you, thank you. දෙපිට කාට්ටුව. curry favor. හරි. අමෝද කියන්න පුළුවන් කාට හරි නේ. දැන් ඉස්කෝලේ පටන් ගත්ත ගමම්ම ගිහින් කියන්න. පහක් උගන්වුවාද? Shihan, idioms පහක් උගන්වුවා පහම පොඩ්ඩක් කියනවද පුතා? What are the 5 idioms?
Once in a blue moon. Today is a red letter day. A cat and bull stories.
Yes.
In a nutshell, a curry favor.
Right. දැන් අන්තිම idioms තුනෙන් ඕගොල්ලෝ වගන්ති දෙක දෙක ලියන්න. එකකින් දෙක දෙක ලියන්න. Right 2.
Sir, in nutshell කියන එකේ තේරුම මොකක්ද?
In a nutshell
Excuse
කියන්නේ
me.
ආදිස කෙටියෙන්.
Okay.
So, මම කියන්නද? Sir, mic එක
Shihan, can you start පුතා?
Can you explain English lesson in nutshell?
Very good.
He is a curry favor. He is a
Okay.
curry favor in once in a blue moon.
Ah yes. එයා දෙපිට කාට්ටුවෙක් වගේ වැඩ කරන්නේ කලාතුරකින්. idioms දෙකක් යදුවා. You can say නමක් දාලා කියන්නත් පුළුවන් නේද? මෙහෙම. Rashmi is not a curry favor. Rashmi කියන්නේ දෙපිට කාට්ටු කරන වැඩ කරන ළමෙක් නෙවෙයි. Rashmi is not a curry favor. Okay, please tell me, Sadunmi, one example මේ තුන එකක් ඉක්මනින් කිය.
My friends are not tell a cat and bull story.
My friend the friends
Friends.
friends nan do not do. My friends do
Sir?
not tell cats and bull stories.
Sir,
Italy,
sir, can you tell the Sinhala meaning of about that incident in nutshell?
yes. ඔබට ඒ සිද්ධිය කෙටියෙන් මට විස්තර කරන්න පුළුවන්. Can you tell me explain about that incident?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. ආයි කැමරා ටික ඔෆ් වෙලා ළමයින්ගේ සනුක වින්දිනු සනුක
Yes, sir.
Aditya, can you tell me one example?
Okay, sir. You are a curry favor. He told me a cock and bull story.
Okay. එක්කනේ ආදිත්‍ය මට කියනවා sir you are a curry favor. sir මෙහෙම ඉන්දියට sir උද්දෙවිල කාට්ටුවේ. You are thank you Aditya. I can't understand. Thank you. Okay, next one. Please tell me Onali.
In a
Can you tell me
nutshell,
curry favor? Yes.
in a nutshell, she is a cunning girl.
Yes. කෙටියෙන්ම කිව්වොත් එයා මහා කපටි කෙල්ලෙක්. හා හරි පේ දුප්පත් කෙල්ලෙක්. දෙවිල කාට්ටුවේ. Next.
My sister always says cat and bulls stories.
My tells කියලා අපේ අක්කා නිතරම පට්ටවල් බොරු කියන්නේ. My sister always tells cat and bull stories. ළමයි මේ idioms ඇත්තම කියන ලස්සනද නැද්ද භාෂාවේ?
ලස්සනයි sir.
Beautiful or not? Yes or no? Very beautiful. Language එක ලස්සන කරන්න දැන් ගෙදරක් ගේ ලස්සන වෙන්නේ pantry cupboard ගාලා tile කරාමනේ සනුති නේද? අන්න ඒ වගේ තමයි භාෂාව ලස්සන වෙන්න මේ tile අල්ලලා මේ garden එක හදලා ඒව තමයි මේ idioms වලින් කරන්නේ අලංකාරකරණය. සනුන්වි can you සනුන්වි කිව්ව එකක් නේද? Please tell me Amish.
Our science teacher explained the lesson in nutshell. My best
Very
friend
good.
is not a curry favor.
My best friend Rusaik is not a curry favor. Tisasna.
Shanuli is a curry favor.
Shanuli කියන්නේ කවුද? Shanuli is a curry favor. Repeat a card to it, right? Shanuli is a curry favor. I am not a curry favor.
So I can.
Sandaru.
My sister tells me a cat and bull's story because she is a curry favor.
Yes. My sister tells cats and bull stories because she's a curry favor. Melanie.
A friend argue with me by using cats and bulls story.
Niyamai Lasranam Gandhi. My friend argue with me by telling cat and bull story. Pattabal Murukiya kiya mang ekka wada වෙන හොඳම ගන්තියක්. Good sentence.
Sir, I can.
Sadev.
He is a curry favor and he tells cats and bulls stories.
Good, good, good. He's a curry favor and he tells cat and bull stories. Please tell me Lakshan. Amodhya.
Could you please explain your trip in nutshell? You explained it very nicely in nutshell.
Good. Didulani. හොඳ උදාහරණ දෙකක්.
My teacher is explain a story in nutshell.
My teacher explained his own name. Our school principal is a curry favor. Huh? He takes fire underwater. Huh? He takes fire underwater. අන්න එහෙම ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්න ඉගෙන ගන්න. He takes එයාට පුළුවන් ඉන්ද්‍ර ගෙනියන්න තිසස්නා නේද ජලයේ යටි. He takes fire underwater. නිලපොල්
You are the curry favor auntie. Please tell me story in nutshell. Today is my red letter day because it is my first video game.
Okay. Auntie, you are a curry favor. Huh? නැන්දත් ලිපිට කාට්ටු වැඩ කරන කෙනෙක්. Okay. මට කියන්න අපි මේ කතා first tute එක ඉවර කරා නේද?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed. Now today we are going to start tute number 2 වල WH questions ටිකක් කරා වගේ මතකයි. Yes or no? No? No. Right. WH questions. Okay. අපි ඒ tute එක අද ඉවර කරමු. Next week new working sheet. The following WH words are used in English speech. Can you read the first 3 words, Aditya?
Who are you?
Not example, Aditya. First 3 words, only words. Who,
Sir, I had a
Whom?
who. Sadunmi. Next 4 words. ඊළඟ වචන 4.
What, at what time, when, where?
Where? Okay. Next one is which. Benuka last 5 words.
How many, how much, how long, how far, how often.
Again Rashmi, first 3 words.
Sir, මට ටියුට් එක නැහැ.
Rashmi na tute karwari avanne aluwe. Nikini, what are the first 3 words?
How? Whom? Whose?
Whose? Tyagi, what are the next 4 words?
What, at what time, when, where.
Next one, Lakshan Tikshana, last words. ඔක්කොම වචන ටික. Please read only last set of words.
Sir, I haven't a tune.
I see. You got Shihan. Can you read last words?
How many, how much, how long, how far, how often.
How often? Who kavda? Whom kavada? Whose kageda? Now I ask you, දැන් මම ශිහාන්ගෙන් ප්‍රශ්නයක් කරනවා. Who is your father? ශිහාන් දෙන උත්තර දෙකෙන් මොකක්ද හරි දන්නේ අත උස්සන්න. My father is චතුර සාරංග. නැත්තම් my father is a teacher. Who is your father කියලා මම ඇහුවා. ශිහාන් what is your answer?
He is a teacher.
He is a teacher. What is your answer, Aditya? What is your father?
My father is Lakmal Peris. He is a businessman.
Like that.
Sir, what is
who
Sinhala
කියලා
meaning
ඇහුවාම
of whom?
who කියලා ඇහුවාම ශිහාන් නිතරම නම කියන්න. what කිව්වහම රැකියා. ශිහාන් උත්තරේ දෙන්න what who is your father? My father is.
Chatura Saranga.
What is your father?
My father is a teacher.
Rashmi, who is your father?
My father is Dylan.
Dilan. What is your father?
My father is a storekeeper.
Storekeeper. Sanuti, who is your father?
My father is Samara Singh.
Samar Singh. What is your father?
He is a businessman.
Okay. Lakshan, who is your father?
My father is Priyanta Pushkumar.
What is your father?
He is a teacher.
He is a teacher. Tyagi, who is your mother?
My mother is Mrs. Nedarshi.
Nidarshi. What is your mother?
She is housewife.
Onali, who is your mother?
My mother is Mrs. Priyadarshani.
What is your mother?
She is a businesswoman.
Yes. Imasha, who is your father? Amatya, who is your father?
My father is Mr. Piyatissa Gadage.
What is your father?
He is a BOI officer.
Okay. What is your mother? Ammagara kiya.
My mother is Mrs. Tarangani.
What is your mother?
She is a nurse.
Yes. Then mang Pasandikin hana Pasandi, who is your best friend? Namakiyan.
Vetara.
Vitara is my what is your best friend? She is a student. නේද? එයාගේ රැකියාවක් නැහැනේ. දැන් කාරු හරි ඔබගෙන් රැකියාව ඇහුවොත් විනුල් what is your job කියලා මොකද්ද job එක? ඉස්කෝලේ යන කෙනෙක්. I am a student. I am a teacher වගේ I am a student. Okay, you can say I am a student. හරි. ඔන්න දැන් ප්‍රශ්න ටික මම එක්කෙනෙක්ගෙන් අහනවා. ආදිත්‍ය ඔයා උත්තර දෙන්න. Who are you?
I am Aditya Piris.
What are you?
I am a student.
What is your father?
My father is a businessman.
Who is your father?
My father is Lakmal Piris.
Who is your mother?
My mother is Kamani Veerasinghe.
What is your mother?
My mother is a government officer.
තේරිච්ච ළමයා තුස්සන්නේ පාඩම. Melanie, who are you?
I am Melanie Shehana.
What are you?
I am a student.
Who is your father?
My father is KT Sampath.
What is your father?
He is a branch manager of Abans Company.
Good. Who is your mother?
My mother is Nelka Shehani.
What is your mother?
She is a housewife.
Sadunmi, who are you?
Sadhurmi.
What are you?
I'm a student.
Who is your mother?
Father, sir.
Mother.
My mother is Ranjani.
What is your mother?
She is a teacher.
She is a teacher. Okay. 1, 2, 3. ලියන්න උත්තර හැමෝම. Hurry up. Hurry up. Who are you? Cute එක නැති අය. Who are you? පළවෙනි ප්‍රශ්නය රශ්මි. දුල්ලිත් ඔයා ලින්ක් එක යවුව නේද ළමයිට දැන් එයාට ඔයාට පුළුවන් ද ටියුට් එක යවන්න? පුළුවන් නේද දැන් ළමයික් අපි ඇඩ් කර
Yes, sir.
ටියුට් එක ඇත්තේ ග්‍රැෆික් ඕ ගෲප් එකේ ඇති ටියුට් එක ගෲප් එකෙන් ටියුට් එක බලලා ඒක සෙන්ඩ් කරන්න ඒ දරුවට එතකොට ටියුට් එක ලැබෙයි ෆෝන් එකට Who are you? What are you? Hari. Pasandi, where is your house? අපි ඊළඟ කොටසට එනවා දැන්. පසන්දි ගේ කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ?
in Kurunduwatta.
in කුරුඳුවත්ත. good. ඔන්න ස්ථානය. ගිය සතියේද කොහෙ ළමෙක් කිව්වා in කරාපිටිය hospital. Huh? Where is your house? උනාම එයා ලින්ක් කිව්වා sir in කරාපිටිය. මං කිව්වා කරාපිටිය where about? කරාපිටිය කොහෙද? in කරාපිටිය hospital. Correct ko Benuka? Wrong. Wrong. Close to Karapitiya Hospital last Sunday. Close. Then one by one you can answer. Right. Melanie, where is your house? Can you tell me?
In Kalegana.
My house is at Kalegan. Okay. Didulani, where is your house? Mama kemati gama නැතුව my house is near a temple. My house is close to the Kalegana bridge. අන්න ඒ වගේ කියනවා මම වැඩියෙන් කැමති. My house is opposite විරුද්ධ පැත්තේ තියෙන opposite the temple. Near the temple. Didulani?
House is near to Baduluoya.
Okay. Oya. Nice place. Lassana yahuwa. What is the name of that Oya?
Baduluoya.
Badulu Oya. Okay. Onali, where is your house?
My house is near the Udugama Base Hospital.
Anna dakkada. Near Udugama Base Hospital. Taruka, where is your house? Sitangi, where is your house?
My house is near the hospital.
Where is your house, Shihan?
Near the Gurulwara temple.
Okay. Tyagi, where is your house?
My house is behind the Indigala temple.
Very good. Where is the library? It is near the supermarket. It is in front of the bus stand. It is close to the bank. Where is the supermarket? It is blah, 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 near, opposite, on the main road. Where is the bank? The bank is on the main road. It is on the main road. Right? 1, 2, 3. පටන් ගන්න මුල් ප්‍රශ්න හතරම quickly. මට ඕන මෙතනින් කතා කරන්න, please finish your writing quickly. WH questions. How are you? How old are you? You can answer. Evatlian, how are you? I'm fine. How old are you? I'm 13. How many siblings have you? ඔබට සහෝදරකොත් කී දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවද? How much is this computer? මේ computer කීයද? How far is it here? How far is it from here to the town? තුන්වෙනි කොටස එකත් complete කරන්න පුළුවන් යෝ. Hello. आप सर क्या Okay, switch on your cameras. Camera මං ඉස්සරහා නිකන් ලස්සනට ඉන්නවනේ සුද්ධ වගේ like foreigners. Switch on your cameras. Now one by one I want to speak right personally. දැන් එක්කිනාම මං අවදි කරවලා කතා කරනවා. එතකොට අනිත් ළමයි හැමෝම ප්‍රශ්නයකින් අහන්න ඕනේ එක්කිනා ප්‍රශ්න. Right, I would like to start අපි පටන් ගන්නකො boy කෙනෙක්ගේ. ආදිත්‍ය. ඔයා මම සිලෙක්ට් කරනවා මුලින්. ආදිත්‍යගෙන් දැන් ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න ඕන අනිත් හැමෝම ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින්. What, why, where, when, who, which, whose. එක එක ප්‍රශ්න. අපි ආදිත්‍යගේ යාළුවන්ට දෙමු අවස්ථාව වෙනුක. එයාගේ favorite දේවල් ඕන දෙයක් අහන්න පුළුවන්. Ask question, start.
Who is your best friend?
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Venuka Vikramanayan.
Lakshan.
What is your father's name?
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Lakmal Piris.
Senitu.
What is you?
I am a student.
What are you? Shehan. අනිත්‍යත් අහන්න බල ඕන ප්‍රශ්නයක් අහන්න. රෙඩි වෙලා ඉන්න ප්‍රශ්න ටිකක්. Get ready.
Who is your father?
Who is your father?
My father is Lakmal Piris.
Nilupul.
Who is your mother? My mother is Kamani Priyanka.
එකක් වෙනස් ප්‍රශ්න. What is your favorite place in Sri Lanka?
My favorite place in Sri Lanka is Nuwara.
Yeah. Who is your favorite teacher in your school?
My favorite teacher in school is English teacher.
English teacher. How do you spend your free time?
I spend my free time in collecting stamps.
Okay. Do you like cricket?
Yes.
Except Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka Haruna. What is your favorite cricket team?
India.
India. But India was beaten by Pakistan. Pakistan peraduna last time. Okay. Aditya, can you tell me a letter you like? ඔබ කැමති ඉංග්‍රීසි අකුරක් කියන්න.
A sir.
Huh?
A sir.
A. Another letter. වෙනත් අකුරක්.
R.
Huh?
R sir.
R. R අකුරෙන් එන ළමෙක් අපි තෝරගමු. කාරුවත් නෑ දැනට. ඒ වලින් ඉන්නවා අමීෂ්. අමීෂ් හිමසර පැප්පින්. අමීෂ්. අමීෂ්ගෙන් ප්‍රශ්න අහන්නේ අපි දැන්. ඕකේ. අමීෂ් හිමසර. ඕකේ. දැන් ප්‍රශ්න ලියාගෙන කොලයක එකතුවක් තියාගන්න. Get a collection of questions. You can ask one by one. Amish බිම වැටෙන්න මහාන. Amish, what is your favorite dress? Frock. ඔයාගේ ආසම ඇඳුම් මොකක්ද කියලා? Huh?
My favorite dress is denim.
Denim and t-shirt. What is your favorite color? What is your school, Buta?
My school is Jannat International School.
Where do you live?
I live in Galle.
Okay. Pasandi, ask him a question.
When is the World Teachers Day?
Very good. ලෝක ගුරු දිනය කවදද?
October 6.
5th of October. Nilupul? Amodya? Me Hanna and Milama ready ne? They are not ready.
What is your favorite animal?
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog.
Dog. Amodya, if you have a dog, give him a dog. Huh? Taruka?
Who is your
Okay, ask Aditya.
Who is your favorite cricketer?
Who is your favorite cricketer? Good.
My favorite cricketer is Sanjay Jayasuriya.
Dilip Sampath.
No,
His favorite cricketer is Dilip Sampath. Thank you. Your teacher is a good cricketer. Benuka. Sandaru.
When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 28th of December.
What is your ambition in life?
My ambition is to be a doctor one day.
Doctor one day. Okay, clap him. Amish, can you tell me a letter you like? Oya Sakura kiyannako.
Yes.
S Akura. Muduappe S වලින් ඉන්නවා සිතංගි සෙනෙතු සිහාන් සදෙව් සඳුන්මි එතකොට සඳරු අමීෂ් ඒගොල්ලගෙන් අපි තෝරගමු වෙන අකුරක් එහෙනම් නැහැ S ඔබ කැමති S වලින් එන නමක් කියන පන්තියේ ඉන්න ළමයින්ගේ මෙන්න මේ නම් තුනෙන් කැමති නමක් කියන්නේ සිතංගි සිතංගිගේ නම කියන්න පුළුවන් සඳුන්මි ඒ දෙන්නෙන් තෝරන්න බලන්න සිතංගි සඳුන්මි අමීෂ් සක්කාල තෝරන්න සිතංගි අන්න අමීෂ් තෝරගන්නේ සිතංගි හොඳයි සිතංගි are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Right, camera on කරගමු
How many siblings?
නෑදුව සිතගි ඔයා කැමරා මුලින් ඔන් කරගන්න ප්‍රශ්න අහන්නේ අපි
Sir, I have a problem in the video.
video problem no problem එහෙනම් සනුති අහන්න බලන්න සිතගියෙන් ප්‍රශ්නයක්
What is your favorite subject?
English.
okay Nelly
Where the house?
where is your
In
house
Badul.
Didulani
What is your favorite color?
favorite color Tisansna
How are you?
how old are you හොඳ ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න ඕන තව සිතගි උත්තර දෙද්දී මයික් එක ඔෆ් කරන් ඉන්නේ එයාට සිග්නල් ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවා මම සිලෙක්ට් කරනවා I would like to select අපි සිලෙක්ට් කරමු පසන්දි මනුල්‍ය අන්න අපේ hina වෙවි බැබලි ඉන්න සංගමිත්‍ය දුව right පසන්දිගෙන් ප්‍රශ්න ආවම අපි අදගෙන වැටෙන්නම හරි පසන්දි who is your favorite boy in this class නිකන් අපි favorite ආ ඉන්නෝනේ
My brother.
my brother sir good my brother is my favorite Nikiri
Where is your house?
In Kuruduvattu.
in Kurunduvat Emasha Benuka අත උස්සන් ඉන්න එතකොට අහන්නම්ම
Can you play any musical instrument?
අන්න දැක්කනේ හොඳ ප්‍රශ්න අන්න ඒ වගේ අහන්න can you play any musical instrument
Yes, I can.
what is the instrument you can play
Melodica.
melodica Lakshan
What is your father?
what is your father
My father is a policeman.
policeman oh my father is a policeman oh yes Serengeti my father is a policeman ලක්ෂාන් අහන්නත් හොඳ නැහැ බය වුණා ලක්ෂාන් බය වුණා කියනවත් ඒක like that. My father is a policeman. Sehan,
How far is it from here to town?
how far is it from your house to the town? Good question.
9 kilometers.
9 kilometers. Sandaru,
What is your school?
what is your school?
Sangeeta Girls College.
Disney.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
Melanie,
Who is your most favorite pet?
again do a
Who is your most favorite pet?
trip.
Pets.
I know what is your most favorite. What?
Pets.
Pet. What is your favorite pet? What?
Dog.
Dog. Okay. Lakshan,
Who is your mother?
My mother is Mrs. Takshila Priyanti.
wait a while. Mamahano. Right? I am a god. Mama Devi. I give you an air ticket. Mama pada laba denawa guan ticket pata. I would like to give you an air ticket. What is the country you wish to visit?
Japan.
Japan. Why? Very good. Lassana ratak toragate Japan.
Japan food.
Huh?
I like Japan food.
I like Japan. It is a developed country. The ratak. I can buy a nice brand new car. I can meet Japanese. Mana Japan nu hambenna puluwan. Neda? Okay, Japan. Pasanthi, what is your ambition in life?
I want to be a doctor one day.
I want to be a doctor. Good luck. Shall I speak to Disney? Mama Disney te katha karanna ask. Disney, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Camera on karagamu Disney. එහෙනම් උත්තර දෙන්න ප්‍රශ්න. දැන් සර් අහනෝගේ අමුතු ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න. අමෝත්‍ය.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is rose.
Rose. Disney camera on කරන්න ඉඳි බැරිද on කරන්න. ආදිත්‍ය.
Yes, sir.
Ask question from Disney. Your best friend is Disney.
What is your favorite city in Sri Lanka?
Very good.
Goal.
Call. Disney, do you have pet animals at home?
No, sir.
No. Nelly. Venuka. සක්කාල අහන්න ප්‍රශ්න සමාන මලක ප්‍රශ්න නැහැ. ලියලා ලස්සන ප්‍රශ්න එකතු කරගන්න.
If you see your friend after few years, what will you tell him?
අන්න බලන්න. එයාගේ ප්‍රශ්න. You meet one of your old friends, පරණ යාළුවෙක් after a long time. What will you tell him?
Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you again. Let's go and have a cup of tea. Nedishni. Okay, Parindya.
What is your mother?
What is your brother?
I don't have siblings.
I don't have siblings. Only
How do you usually spend your free time?
By reading storybooks.
එකත් හොඳ ප්‍රශ්නයක්. ත්‍යාගී.
What is your favorite story?
Harry Potter.
Dua, what is your favorite dress?
Frock.
Frock. And එයාටත් මම දෙනවා දෙවියන්ගෙන් වගේ ප්‍රශ්නයක්. Almighty God. Right? Do you buy Shanida Vasanawa?
No.
No. Hari. You imagine you won the first place. 10 million rupees. Million දහයක් දිනනවා. ඉන්න Shanida Vasanawa වෙනුක. Disney, tell me 3 things you would do. ඔයා කරන දේවල් තුනක් කියන්න.
I'll visit Finland country.
I go to Finland. Finland එකට යනවලු ගිහිල්ලා තනියෙන් ඉන්නව සල්ලි ටිකක් බැංකු පොතේ දාගෙන.
No.
I will keep money in bank account and will not come to Sri Lanka.
No.
Rashmi, මුල්ම එක ෆින්ලන්ඩ් යනවා. ඩිස්පි අපේ online පන්තියෙන් දෙත් නැහැ. එතකොට she will not come to our online class. She will fly to Tisasna, Finland and live with foreigners. Sehan,
How much sibling do you have?
I don't have siblings.
right. Imagine ඔබ හිතන්න when you are near the sea of මුහුද ළඟ ඉඳෙද්දී a tsunami wave comes. Tsunami රැල්ලක් වේගෙන් එනවා. What would you do? ඔබ මොකද කරන්නේ? දුවන්නේ. You are running away. එයා උත්තර දෙන්නේ. නිලපොල් සඳුන්මි
How much is this computer?
how much is your computer? ඔයා computer කොච්චර මිලද? Sanuti?
So can I ask a question?
Yes.
What are the values you have learned at school?
Yes. ඔබ ඉස්කෝලේ ඉගෙන ගත්ත දේවල් නිකිරි මොනවාද?
Good qualities.
Good qualities. Right. Now, සර්ගෙන් ප්‍රශ්න අහන වෙලාව දැන් තියෙනවා. ප්‍රශ්න 50ක් අහන්න පුළුවන් ඔක්කොම එකතු වෙලා. එක්කෙනෙක්ට ප්‍රශ්න දෙකක් හෝ තුනක්. Right? සර්ගෙන් බිම ඇදගෙන වැටෙන්න, සර්ගේ බිම දන ගහන්න. Right? හොඳ ප්‍රශ්න ටික ලියා ගන්නකෝ. I will give you 2 minutes. හොඳ ප්‍රශ්න ටික ලියා ගන්න. What are the questions that you wish to? Any question? ඕගොල්ලන්ට හුඟක් ඉංග්‍රීසි පන්ති වල කතා කරන්න අවස්ථාව ලබා දෙන්නේ නැහැ. ඔබ දන්නවා. ඒ සර් තමයි වැඩියෙන් වැඩ දාන්නේ යමෝත් හුඟක් ඉංග්‍රීසි පන්ති වල. සර් තමයි ලොක්කා වගේ වැඩ දාන්නේ. අපේ පන්තියේ මම පස්සෙන් ඉන්නේ ඔබට අවස්ථාව දෙන්න. right. ප්‍රශ්න ලියපු ළම අත උස්සන් ඉන්න පුළුවන්. පසන්දි මනුලිය.
Who is your favorite actress in India?
ඉන්දියාවේ ආසව නිලියා. I like all the actresses who are beautiful. ලස්සන හැමෝන්ටම කැමති.
Sir, can I?
I like Manisha කියලා එක්කෙනෙක් ඉඳී ඒ කාලේ. Manisha Kovirala. I think she's a little bit older now, more than 40 years. I like her acting. Manisha.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Yes.
Sir, you went to America for a vacation. When you are in America, a large tornado came. Say 3 things that you will do.
Very good. ලස්සන ප්‍රශ්නයක්. ඇත්තටම අපුඩියක් ගාම මේ ප්‍රශ්නෙට. Sir, you go to America. Sir, ඇමරිකාවේ යනවා. Now when you are in America, suddenly a tornado, මහා දරුණු tornado එකක් එනවා. What shall I do? Tell me 3 things I do. First thing is, I will not be able to think what I should do first. But what I can do. Right? Anyway, I try to go to a secure place. Then I call my friends or American police, please come and help me. Right? That is the second thing. Third thing, I will shout, Budu Ammo. Come, my dear God. Please save my life. I am a very poor man. Good question. All right.
Who is
Now,
your favorite
Can I ask
Sanuti,
what is your most favorite rainforest in Sri Lanka?
most favorite
Rainforest.
rainforest. I like Singaraja really. Singaraja. I have been there twice. That's remarkable. Remarkable. Good question. Nitira.
Sir, can I?
Sir, can I?
Okay. Amodya Tishwari. Amodya.
Sir, I can.
From star nose, small, golden mole, sloth, and jabala, what's your favorite animal?
Again.
From star nose, small, golden mole, sloth, jabala, what's your favorite animal?
Jabala. Good.
Sir, can I ask another question?
Nice question. Aneka vinasteva. Nikini Paridya.
Sir, you are curry favor.
You are a Kavi. Sir, Dipita card to Idharwa. Are you a curry favor? No. I am not a curry favor. I am not a curry favor.
Who is your favorite cricketer?
Actually, at present, I like Richmond player Charit Asalanka. He was a
Your
Richmond.
favorite place is Sri Lanka?
Yeah, you like
In which chronological order is Mr. Gotabaya the president of Sri Lanka?
Again.
In which chronological order is Mr. Gotabaya the president of Sri Lanka?
Actually, I do not know. Maybe 8. Yeah, have we? Kaudi prasne have we? How to prasne akte have we?
Sandunme.
Gotabaya Rajapaksa Lankawe කීවෙනි ජනාධිපතිතුමාද කියලා අහන්නේ නේද?
Yes, sir.
I don't know actually. Maybe 8. 8වෙනි. Maybe 7th executive president. Right. Good question.
Why are you
As
like
death is common to all, what do you think about death? As death is common to all, what do you think about?
ප්‍රශ්නේ කොටසක් ඇහුන්නේ නැහැ පුතා. හිමින් අහන්න.
As death is common to all, what do you think about death?
death. මරණය හැමෝන්ට පොදු දෙයක්. එයා ලස්සන ප්‍රශ්න අහන්න. As death is common to everybody, what do you think about death? Actually, death is only right, only a moment of life which everyone has to face. So that is a very crucial time. So nobody likes to go there. Nobody likes to face it. It's so fatal and all. But does not, death does not end our life. It is only a temporary decision. Just after our death, we will be born again quickly. I am expecting my death very soon. Huh?
Sir,
Sir,
Why are you last will be?
පොඩ්ඩක් අහන්න මං ළමයි excuse කරලා අහන්න. සෙහන් අහන්න ප්‍රශ්න. අමෝන්ටම දෙන්න.
Why are you like Charitha Solanka?
Why do you like Charit? Charit, actually, I saw him batting very well in many matches, and even in the last match, he batted very well. He was a very fine batsman. He has a very good future. Yes.
So can I
Sir,
ask
I can-
the questions?
Ahanna Mitu Reshmine, okay.
Why are you like to teach?
Why do you like to teach? Because teaching is a noble profession. It gives us much pleasure. Right? There is no other profession in the world which can take pleasure, by working. Teaching is the only, noblest profession in the world.
sir,
Sir, I can.
sir, may
Excuse
Sir, I
me.
can-
Hemin prashne ahanna.
excuse me, sir.
You read the newspaper at night in your home. After some time, you go to sleep. After some time, thieves can come your home. What is you do? But you can't call the police because your phone has battery dead.
Right. Now I can't phone. Now thieves are inside the house. What should I do? Then I will be very silent. First thing is, I will not try to call. I will call one of the thieves and ask, why did you come here? Right? Then they say, we want to take money and all. Then if I have money, I give money and ask, if it is not enough, Madina, come again. Right? Please come again. Next, next day I will come. After that, Pasandi, I will call police. I will recharge the phone, quickly charge the phone. Then I will give the message, they are coming again and all. I am not angry. No problem, I can give. Pasandi Mangitan, Pasandi,
Sri Lanka
do you wish to come at night as a robber?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Lakshan.
What is the reason or disease Barack Obama haven't teeth when he born?
Again, Buta.
What is the reason or disease Barack Obama haven't teeth when he born?
Wow, what is the reason? Actually, I do not know the reason, of course. That is a very good question. If somebody can answer, yeah, Honda Saman, when Barack Obama was born, what is the reason for?
Haven't teeth.
Haven't teeth. Yes. Actually, I do not know. My knowledge is a little bit low about that. If somebody can answer, that's good.
No.
It's a good question.
Nobody have teeth when born.
Nobody, yes. But some pupils, some babies, have you seen? They have small two teeth when, right, born. Last 5 questions. Prashna pahai.
Excuse me, sir.
Tisasna. Wait, Tisasna.
Why did you do that? Because I want to follow you.
Again.
Sir, what did you do learn well English in your childhood? Because I want to follow you.
Actually, when I was a child, I did not want to follow English very well. I did not like this subject at first. Later on, my mom pushed me. My mother pushed me, go to Sangaram Night School. I was crying. I wanted to cut the class. Later on, after attending 3-4 years, I realized the value of this language. After that, I liked the subject and became an English teacher. Nilupul.
Excuse me, sir.
What is your favorite video game and favorite film?
I don't like video games, of course. I don't have time to play. Earlier, ඒ කාලේ අපි play කරා Mario කියලා game එකක්. There was a game called Mario. Do you know? Huh? Mario කියලා game එකක් තිබුණා, video game. That was the first game I played. After that, I stopped. Sadeepa, you can ask question.
Film? Favorite film?
Huh?
Favorite film?
My favorite film is what is that? Saving Private Ryan. මම ඒ ෆිල්ම් එක ලක්ෂානගේ අයියලට පෙන්නුවා. අපේ පන්තියත් අපි පෙන්වන්න හිතන් ඉඳියා කොවිඩ් කාලේ නිසා පෙන්වන්න බැරුණා. පුළුවන් නම් මේ ෆිල්ම් එක බලන්න. If you can watch this film, Saving Private Ryan. It's a war film. යුද්ධය ගැන තියෙන ෆිල්ම් එකක්, but it is very real. Thank you. Last 2 questions, sir. ගැන දැනගන්න මොනවද තියෙන්නේ තව?
Yeah, what's the best advice you have been given about
What's
teaching?
your favorite country and say the reason?
My favorite country. Actually, I like Sri Lanka. People are very friendly. The environment and natural beauty, everything perfect. But except Sri Lanka, Harunahama, I don't know which country is best for us to be visited. I like Bangkok. I like to go to Thailand. Thailand is Asia.
Excuse me, sir.
Traveling help you to
Excuse me,
educate
sir. What's the
yourself.
best advice you have been given about teaching?
What is the best advice
You have been given about teaching?
I have been given about teaching? මට teaching ගැන ලැබිලා තියෙන හොඳම අවවාදය තමයි, if you don't know, say no. ඔබ දන්නේ නැත්තම් නෑ කියන්න කියලා සංඝාරාමේ හාමුදුරුවෝ කියලා තියෙනවා. ළමයි මගෙන් ප්‍රශ්න අහද්දී if I don't know, I say I am sorry, I don't. That is the best advice. Apart from that, ඊට අමතරව earn human qualities, මානසික ගුණාංග වැඩි කරන්න. අපි අතර හමු වෙනවා, we meet a lot of teachers. මම නම් වශයෙන් කිව්වොත් චතුර සාරංග සර්, ප්‍රියන්ත සර්, සී ප්‍රියන්ත සර්, ප්‍රියන්ත පුෂ්පකුමාර සර්, සනත් සූර්යාරච්චි සර්. ඒතර ඒ සර්ලා මගේ ජීවිතේ මනුර ප්‍රසන්න, ප්‍රියන්ත පුෂ්පකුමාර සර්, චතුර සර්, ඒ ගුරු හැම ගුරුවරුන්ට ආදරේ වුණත් ඒගොල්ලෝ මගේ ගුරු වෘත්තියේ at present වර්තමානයේ ඉදිරියෙම ඉන්න චරිත. They are best characters in my life.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Like our President, Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa.
What do you again do it?
Are you like our President, Mr. Gotabaya Rajapaksa?
I don't hate actually personally. ඉසිකෙනෙක්ට එක්ක තරහ නැහැ, but the way he governs, එයා පාලනය කරන විදිය, there are certain problems. So we do not like those terms, but not him. We don't like we don't like the government. Actually, the person may be okay.
So is this your dream job?
Huh?
Is this your dream job?
No. Actually, I did not want to be a teacher. This was my last dream.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir. How does traveling help you to educate yourself?
Best, sir.
Again.
Who is taught Sri Lankan people have best serve.
Best
Serve.
serve. Yes, since ancient time, you know, Sri Lankan have been very popular in right among all other countries for wonderful hospitality. They have developed up in this ocean of samsara. They have good qualities. So they also always like to serve people with their smile, food and all. I think that could be the answer.
Who is taught Sri Lankan people have best serve?
Actually, I do not know that. Can you tell me yourself? Robert Knox. Robert Knox.
So, what is the hardest part of teaching?
Teaching වල අමාරුම කොටස. ළමයි කෑ ගහද්දි ඉවසගෙන ඉන්න කාර්ය අමාරු. While students shouting, because while we are teaching, you are shouting. One is eating the chewing gum, other is talking to somebody else, some other is sleeping, other one is looking outside. ඒ වගේ තැන්වල very difficult to tolerate. හැබැයි සර් ඒ කිසි දෙයකින් තරහ ගන්න නැතුව පසන්දි. දඩුවම් නොකර ඉන්නව නේද ළමයින්ට? නේද? ඔබ කොච්චර වැරදි කරත් සර් නිහඬයි. The teacher is silent.
Sir,
How does traveling help
Excuse me,
you
sir.
educate yourself?
ප්‍රශ්න පොඩ්ඩක් බාධා වුණා මකදී.
How does traveling help you to educate yourself?
Actually, traveling is the best way to relax, my dear. While traveling, I have learned a lot about surrounding, environment, natural beauty, and many more things. Around the country, we meet different types of people with different cultures, and they speak to us very friendly. Especially, we can learn about their habits, food, and many more things. Especially, it gives us a very good experience about our life and not to collect information. So traveling is one of the best way to enjoy life and also to get experience.
So may I?
Excuse me, sir.
What is your last will before die?
Sri Lanka.
What is your last will? Sir, ගේ අන්තිම කැමැත්ත මොකක්ද කියලා අහන before death. හැරෙන්න කලින්. Actually, I did not expect such a question. හොඳ ප්‍රශ්නයක් කවුද මේ ප්‍රශ්නේ ඇහුවේ?
Melanie sir.
මෙලනි මම හිර වෙන්නම අහපු ප්‍රශ්නේ යා තමයි. What is your last will? Sir ගේ අන්තිම කැමැත්ත මොකක්ද දානම් before death? Actually, I haven't collected much in my life. මගේ ජීවිතේ බොහෝ දේවල් මම personally I haven't collected. මම එකතු කරගෙන නැහැ. Except humanism. මනුෂ්‍යත්වය හැරෙන්නේ. I like my children. මම කැමති මගේ ළමයි will be good citizen to the society. මගේ සමාජෙට හොඳ දෙයක් වෙයි කියලා ඒ කැමැත්ත අනුව වුණට කරයි කියලා. I hope they will work according to my will to respect the father's words and all. Nothing else. වෙන මොනවත් නැහැ. Still මට කියාගන්න බැරුණා එකපාරට උත්තරයක්. දැනට හිතලා නැහැ. I haven't thought Melanie last will. When I grow old, වයස ගියාම මම කියන්නම් තව ටිකක්. What is my last will? දැනට හිතෙනවා. I like all my students, children live happily in this small country. That is my wish.
Sir, if you be the president of Sri Lanka, what you will do in educational side?
If you become the president of Sri Lanka, actually the first thing is I expel all the ministers and members of parliament. Parliament, ඔක්කොම ටික එලවලා දානවා. That is the first thing I would do. I will kick them away. I will kick them away out of the parliament, and I have to get advice. I myself will select or elect a very good person, most suitable person to get that place in place of Minister of Education. ඒ වගේ හොඳ කෙනෙක් පත් කරලා, and I advise him to do the best for the betterment of the students, their education and for their future. ඒක තමයි මට කරන්න පුළුවන් as the President of Sri Lanka.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, where do you like most place live in Sri Lanka?
I like Galle. Galle is my native place. But personally, I like to go to visit Mahiyangana. නරඹන්න යන්න කැමති නගරයක් තියෙනවා නම් I like to go to Mahiyangana.
Sir, what is your favorite waterfall in Sri Lanka?
I like, Diyaluma, Dunghinda, not Diyaluma or Dunghinda. Diyaluma, I am sorry, Diyaluma. That is the most graceful one, third highest. Dunghinda, not Diyaluma. It is at Koslanda theatre. Thank you for asking question.
English.
Last question, Antime Kena.
Sir, how long have you teaching English?
How long have you been teaching English? I have been teaching English 22 years. 20. How old are you now?
30.
12, maybe 13. Now I have been teaching Pasandi before you were born. 22 years, this year, 21 years of completion. This is my 22nd year. I started 1998. I started. 22 years I have already taught. This is 23rd year. Thank you for joining. ඕගොල්ලෝ හැමෝම කතා කරානේද ප්‍රශ්නයක් හරි අහපුලව අත උස්සන ළමයෙක්ගෙන් හරි සර්ගෙන්. අන්න බලන්න ඔබ සති 3-4කින් ඔබ දක්ෂයි. ළමයි අපි ඉස්කෝලේ අපට ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා ඉස්කෝලේ පටන් ගත්තොත් උදේ වරුව කරන්න බෑ නේද?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
තව මාස 2කමාරක් එහෙමම තියෙනවා. What shall we do? අපි මේ පන්තිය බදාද හැන්දෑවට දැම්මොත් හැමෝම සහභාගී වෙන්න පුළුවන්ද? 7:30 to 9:30.
Okay, sir.
Answer.
Okay, sir. Can.
I can't.
Answer.
Can't, sir.
Can't. දෙමව්පියන්ගෙනුත් මීටින් එකක් අපි අරගෙන ලබන සතිය අම්මලා ඉන්නවනම් උංග දෙනෙක්ට සහභාගී වෙන්න කියන්න parents meeting එකට. I will decide. අපි බලමු දැනට ඉස්කෝලේ නැති නිසා මේ විදිහට තව සති දෙකක් යමු ෂෙයා නේද? සති දෙකකින් පස්සේ තීරණය කරමු. Next week we can decide. Okay, thank you for joining, my dear children. Thank you for your nice questions. Okay, have a nice day. Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Morning, sir. Have a nice day, sir. Thank you, sir.
Stay safe, sir.
Stay safe.
Sir.